Picture two job applications on a Berlin hiring manager's desk. One is a cluttered 3-page document with personal details and a selfie. The other is a crisp 1-page summary with clear bullet points. The second CV gets the interview, because in Europe, less is more. A European CV is your professional passport, concise, relevant, and easy to scan. European employers want to see your skills and achievements, not your life story. Skip personal details like marital status or religion. They're considered clutter. Focus on what matters, your most relevant experience and how it fits the job. Standardized formats like Europass help recruiters compare candidates from different countries. For language skills, use the CEFR scale, A1 to C2, so your abilities are clear across borders. Photos? It depends. In Germany, a professional headshot is common. In the UK or Sweden, it's discouraged. Always research local customs. When in doubt, leave the photo out. The goal, make your qualifications shine, not your appearance. A European CV is about clarity, relevance, and making a strong first impression. Treat it as a strategic tool, not an autobiography. That's the European difference. A winning CV is structured for impact. Start with your name, phone, professional email, and LinkedIn. No full address needed. Next, a 2-sentence personal profile. Who you are, your expertise, and what you want. Example: detail-oriented project manager with 5+ years in tech, seeking to drive agile teams in the EU. List work experience in reverse order. For each job, include title, company, location, and dates. Use bullet points to highlight achievements, not daily tasks. Quantify results when possible. Example: increased social media engagement by 40% through new content strategy. Add education degree, institution, graduation date. Skills mix hard, Python, Google Analytics, and soft, leadership communication. Languages: use CEFR levels, for example English C2, German B1. Certifications: list only those relevant to the job. Hobbies are optional, include only if they add value. You don't need design skills to create a standout CV. Free online tools do the heavy lifting. Europass is the EU's official CV builder, trusted by employers and available in 29 languages. It guides you step by step and is ideal for public sector or traditional roles. For creative or modern jobs, Canva offers stylish, customizable templates, perfect for marketing or tech. Drag, drop, and download your CV as a polished PDF. Other great options: ztresume.io, and Nova Resume, intuitive with free templates and helpful prompts. These platforms help you focus on content, not formatting. Use a template that matches your industry and personal brand. A professional layout makes your CV easy to read and hard to ignore. Let the tools work for you, so you can focus on landing the job. Don't send the same CV everywhere. Customize for each job. Study the job description and highlight key skills and requirements. Weave those keywords into your profile and work experience. Put your most relevant achievements front and center. For each role, pick 3-4 bullet points that match the job's needs. Rewrite your personal profile to address the company and role directly. Example: passionate environmental scientist eager to join company's mission for a greener future. Tailoring your CV shows you're serious and gets you noticed. Europe's job markets are diverse. Adapt your CV for each country. In Germany, detail and a professional photo are standard. In the Netherlands, keep it concise and include LinkedIn. In France, a 1-page CV in French is best. In Sweden, skip the photo and highlight teamwork. Research local expectations before you apply. Now your pre-flight checklist, proofread for errors, read aloud and use a grammar checker. Save as PDF to preserve formatting. Name your file professionally. First name - last name - CV - job title.pdf. Attach a tailored cover letter. Double check your contact info. A flawless CV shows you're detail-oriented and ready for Europe's job market. Good luck, your next opportunity awaits.